Hello everyone, welcome to DHS Informatics. We have a topic here, an efficient Android-based multimodal biometric authentication system with face and fingerprint image. Before starting this video, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel and click on bell icon to get new notifications. If you like this video, hit the like button. Here we are using, in our project, we are using some technologies, Java and J2EE, that is Advanced Java Concepts, which includes JDBC, Servlet and JSP. Tomcat is an application server from the Apache Software Foundation that executes Java servlets and web pages that includes JSP coding. Eclipse is used to develop our web application or server-side applications. MySQL is used to store some data. And Android ADT, Android Development Tool, which is used to develop an Android application. Introduction. With the rapid development of science and technology, terminal-based payments are becoming more and more popular. As a result, traditional authentication mode is no longer suitable for growing security requirements on the smart terminal. These topics have promoted more and more researchers to study the management of access control and authentication for the small terminal. Conventional authentication scheme typically use a password or a unimodal biometrics to perform the authentication process. However, they are restricted to being implemented in certain specific environment, so they are often stolen, simulated, or even forgot by users themselves. Problem statement. When the world is becoming more unpredictable or insecure, people are searching for new ways of protection that are more secure and less vulnerable to hackers' attack. Existing system. Unimodal biometrics can be identified as methods for the detection of individuals on the basis of specific biometric data, based on two fundamental mechanisms, such as authentication and identification. Unimodal biometric recognition may sound very professional, but in fact, there are many barriers to enrolling large population with only one biometric. The biggest problem with the unimodal biometric method is that no solution will be appropriate for all applications, and thus the use of multimodal biometric method would compensate for the weaknesses of the unimodal biometric system. Proposed system. Here we have a working flow of proposed system. Biometric identification system which use or are capable of using a combination of two or more biometric modalities to identify an individual are called multimodal biometric systems. The above figure demonstrates the basic principle of the developed Android-based multimodal biometric authentication system. It is mainly consisted of the data collection model and the information processing model. For the data collection model, it collects face image as well as fingerprint images. To handle your project, visit www.dhsinformatics.com. If you have any doubts, please feel free to call these numbers. Thank you. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel and click on bell icon to get new notifications. Thank you.